If we want to add this item over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in the icon box. Same goes for this one, icon box, and for this one as well, icon box. By staying on an icon box widget, we have the content settings over here, style settings over here, and advanced settings over here. By staying in content, we can see the icon over here. By clicking on it, we can change the icon, like so. The view from over here, title from over here. We can also use AI from over here, description from over here, AI from over here. We can add an URL over here. By clicking on this wheel, we can have the option to open the URL in a new window. And we can also use dynamic tags from over here. By clicking on the dynamic tags, for example, we can use an internal URL. By clicking over here, type content, we can select the page from over here. And now when someone will click on this item, they are going to be sent to the Contact Us page. We can always click on this X in order to delete the URL. We also have the title HTML tag over here. By going to style, we have style options for box, for icon, and for content. For box, we have the icon position, like so, vertical alignment, icon spacing, and content spacing. For icon, we have for the normal state color with global colors from over here, or custom one from over here. By going to hover state, we can change the color, like so. We also have the size from over here, and we can rotate it, like so. For content, we have the color from over here, global colors, or custom one, typography from over here, global typography, or custom one, with font family from over here, size from over here, weight, transform, style and decoration, line height, letter spacing and word spacing, text stroke from over here, and the color from over here, text shadow, the color from over here, the opacity from over here, blur, horizontal distance, vertical distance. We can always click on this icon to go back to default. Then we have for the description, the color from over here, typography from over here, and text shadow from over here. By going to advanced, we can have margins and paddings. One more thing that we see at this particular section is this line between those. So let's click on this container, to style, to border. We can see that the border is set over here to solid, to 1 to the left. And this is the color. By changing this and going to this other container, style, border, and changing this color as well, we can see that the color has changed for those two lines.